What's up guys, just day away from the official announcement of the Huawei Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro, we got some renders of the upcoming Huawei Mate 30 series yesterday, and now today we got some real hands-on photos of the Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro emerged. Not just photos, we got the unboxing and the hands-on video of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Yeah guys, first of all let's talk about the photos. Here's the comparison between the Huawei Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro front and the back. Up front, we see the difference in the displays, where the regular Mate 30 will come with a flat panel and narrower notch compared to the waterfall screen and wider notch on the Pro variant. The Mate 30 Pro's notch seems to come with a triple camera array, but it's likely a TOF camera paired with a light emitter and the sensor. Going around the back, we see the Mate 30 Pro in the black, emerald green, which features a matte finish, space silver and cosmic purple colors. Both the Pro and the vanilla variants will ship with a quad camera setup which placed in the circular housing. It comes with a 40 megapixel plus 40 megapixel sensors alongside an 8 megapixel telephoto lens and a time of flight TOF module, while the flash sits on the left of the corner. The Mate 30 comes with a 4200 mAh battery with a 40 wattage fast charging and 27 voltage wireless charging support, while the Mate 30 Pro bumps up the capacity to 4500 mAh. Both phones will ship with the 7nm Kirin 990 SoC and EMUI 10 with Android AOSP out of the box and supposedly no Google services. And yeah guys, now let's talk about the hands-on and the unboxing video of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. In addition, a short unboxing video also surfaced which gives us a close look of the sides of the Mate 30 Pro and the red accented power button. And yeah guys, the unboxing video was originally posted over on TikTok. And yeah guys, I just wanna say one thing, now TikTok is also the source of the leaks. It's amazing. By the way, no doubt this is arguably the closest and the best look yet at the Huawei Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.